So we can take just a few minutes today to reflect on the power of our attention. So our attention is that part of our mind that moves here and there. We hear a noise, our attention goes to the noise. We remember something, our attention goes to our memory. When someone's listening, our attention may fade in and out like a video camera that gets blurry or more clear as we shift our attention. Now, our attention is very interesting because it guides our actions and it guides what we understand. Our ability to act depends on intention, on our attention, and our intention, our will, which leads our actions, that also depends on our attention. There are many, many, many things competing for our attention. Even in evolutionary history, when we were living in wilderness surroundings, our attention was constantly moving to different things in the natural world, often looking for food, identifying signs of did we fit in, did we not fit in. Our modern world, of course, there are countless things that are competing for our attention. It used to be billboards, advertisements in newspapers and so forth. Then it was TV ads, radio ads. Now it's notifications on our computer and mobile devices. We may be on social media, and social media is a continuous stream. It's a constant thread of things that are trying to capture our attention. And that could be things that are educational, entertaining, heartwarming, disturbing, things that are designed to stir us to action and to right some injustice, things that are designed to help to encourage us to buy something, perhaps, or just something that's thought-provoking. Now, our attention is something that we need to control very, very well, as best we can, because our attention is what determines the rest of our life. A traditional analogy is that attention is like the reins on a horse, and our intention is the horse itself. A more modern analogy is that our attention is like the steering wheel on our car, and our intention is like the motor and the drivetrain that allows the car to move. It is so important for us to pay attention when we're driving, to keep our hands on the wheel, and to make sure that we're directing our attention in the most focused way. One thing we can do that can help us to get control over our attention is to think of every moment of our attention as being precious. And sometimes we undervalue our own time. We also undervalue other people's time and what they're doing. So as an exercise, we can try to pay attention when other people are speaking. You could practice right now listening to this session, but you should practice whenever you're engaging with somebody else, to think every word that they're speaking is valuable. Every word is like money that we're collecting. If we listen, we're getting richer. We're being enriched. Now, of course, if what you're listening to is not enriching you, then it is your responsibility to go and listen to someone else or something else. It's our responsibility to make sure that the things we're paying attention to are actually enriching our life in every respect, making us more intelligent, more wise, more peaceful, more compassionate. And if we notice that the things that we're hearing are having the opposite effect on our mind, they're making us more depressed, feeling less capable, if we feel less informed, more like our time has been wasted, then it is our responsibility to adjust what it is that we're paying attention to, and to take responsibility to not pay attention to things that are not enriching us. But when we are in a situation where we're with a meeting at work or someone we love, just a situation in our life that demands some attention, pay attention. Think that every moment it's something valuable. It's something worthwhile. It's like collecting money into your mind. With every moment that you're paying attention, it's like you're getting richer and richer. If that helps you, hopefully that'll be useful for you. Thank you so much for your attention today.